ago, struggling to get a consistent sub 15 average. But a month ago, I got it. So, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to be sub 15. So, tip number 1 is to use the most efficient algorithms for F2L, OLL, and PLL. And knowing full OLL and PLL is very useful. You can also use alg trainers online, such as the GitHub, Rubik's trainer, but I mostly use the JPermNet website. So yeah, let's go on to tip number 2. So, for the second tip, I just need you to observe these two T-pumps. So the first one is, and the second one is, did you spot the difference? Now, in the first T-pump, I had 2 regrips, so here, and then a regrip, and then another one, yeah. But with the second T-pump, it was just one smooth action with really good finger tricks, which is the second part of the second tip. Because tricks like D2, U2, and then M2 are really useful in getting sub 15. So, for the last tip, and should I say a need, you need to get a perfect turning feeling cube. So this can be just done by setting your cube up, or if you do need, you can buy other cubes to experience different turning styles. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, bye!